Welcome to Circuit World. This environment has been designed by Raytheon Technologies and Iowa State University with support from ARPA-E to explore the question, can people learn complex engineering tasks remotely without being face-to-face? We're using electrical circuits as our first example task. If this goes well, we'll expand to other engineering tasks, and this is all about saving energy, time, and money by reducing airline travel for business purposes. Eventually, we hope to establish travel replacement thresholds that can be used to advise people when they can use alternatives to being face-to-face. Circuit World mirrors one of Iowa State's labs and contains many of the interactive components that a person could normally access physically. This system combines the Unity engine with an open-source realistic electricity simulator so that a Circuit World circuit responds just like a real one. To measure the effectiveness of learning in Circuit World, we've designed an experiment that will compare learning about these circuits in three conditions: face-to-face, learning via Zoom, and learning while immersed in Circuit World. These three conditions vary the agency of the learner, how much action they can take, and the embodiment of the trainer, how much is the trainer physically represented. There are three roles in the study: the trainer, the learner, who is the participant, and the researcher, who is an invisible observer. Here's what participants experience. They first watch a short video about the basics of circuits, positive and negative wires, etc. Then they are trained in repairing a circuit that can have several things go wrong with it. The training will either be face-to-face live via Zoom, or live via immersion in Circuit World. This particular circuit features a soft potentiometer, which makes an LED change colors depending on where pressure is applied to it. Once training is complete, the trainer leaves. The learner then takes a quiz on what they've learned, and are then presented with a new soft potentiometer circuit that has one or more errors and are asked to fix it on their own. Then, 2 weeks later, to test retention, the learner joins Circuit World again to repair a similar circuit. Throughout these sessions, the research team will gather two major streams of data: software logs from Circuit World that record movements and actions, and video recordings from Zoom which can yield behavioral observations about the trainer and learner interactions. Circuit World is part of a larger project called SCOTTY, and our goal is to use research about communication dynamics to build technologies that can support real-time collaboration so well that we can surpass people's travel replacement thresholds, saving the money, time, energy, and carbon emissions typically required for business travel.